Leonardo has delivered the last batch of 4 M-346 master aircraft to the Polish Air Force. With this addition, the Polish Air Force operates 16 M-346s, making it the second largest user of these trainer jets in the European region. Recently, the M-346 has accumulated more than 100,000 flight hours. The company said this demonstrates the aircraft's excellent performance in terms of availability and reliability. In February 2014, the Polish Air Force selected the M-346 as the successor to the legendary TS-11 Iskra trainer. Then in November 2018, during a ceremony at the 4th Air Training Wing of the Polish Air Force in Dęblin, the M-346 officially received the Bielik name in Polish service. Since its introduction into the Polish Air Force fleet, the M-346 has been assigned to the 41st Air Training Base in Dęblin. More than 100 M-346 aircraft have been ordered by international air forces including Italy, Israel, Poland, Singapore, Qatar and Greece. The aircraft also forms the backbone of the International Flight Training School, IFTS, a collaboration between Leonardo and the Italian Air Force, which has been selected by Japan, Germany, Qatar and Singapore.